Hi. In this video I will show a quick charging module for lithium-ion batteries. Its features includes 1. 15W synchronous switch boost charging with efficiency of 94%. 2. Support QC fast charging. 3. The product can be set up for 2S or 3S lithium battery charging. 4. It provides balanced charging for 2S batteries while for 3S batteries, a separate BMS is required. 5. It also provides input over voltage protection, undervoltage protection and output over current, over voltage, short circuit protection. This circuit can be used for designing a 3S battery pack for various applications. First, let's connect this module to a power adapter and check out the input and output voltages of this module. Here, we can see that the module can automatically trigger the power adapter for providing 5 volts, 9 volts, or 12 volts as input to module to enhance its efficiency. The module allows to connect a Type-C adapter directly or solder wires directly to the module inputs. It also provides an indication of battery in charging mode or if the battery got charged completely. An external thermistor can also be attached to the module to allow it operation shutoff if the battery gets hot above the threshold value. These points allow the module to be operated in either 2S or 3S battery mode. By default, the module comes in 2S mode, but if you want to change it for 3S battery pack, simply solder these 2 points and remove the resistor near it. The I-set resistor can also be changed to adjust the charging current of the module. These 2 points are used to connect the 3S battery pack. And this is the IP2326 main chipset of the board. Now let's first prepare a 3S battery pack to test the charging mode of this module. Here I will be using this 10 ampere BMS board with the 3S battery pack. I will using these cells for charging using the IP2326 module. Initially, the battery pack is showing us total voltage of 9 volts, that means it needs to be charged, so let's connect our quick charging power adapter with this module. We can see that the input of the power adapter changes automatically as per the requirement of the charging board. Now, the 3S battery pack is being charged.
2 hours later.
Now the 3S battery pack has been charged fully to 12.6 volts. We can finally test this battery pack with a load and see if it can provide us power for our desired load. And it works. If you have enjoyed this video, please do like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you later.